Hi, I'm Susan. Today is day one of Dephemerember, and it's hosted by Barbara of 49 Dragonflies and Luise Heinzl. And I'm so excited about doing this. I've never done this challenge before, so I'm really out of my comfort zone. And our prompt for day one is fluff and mason jar. And I've got these die cuts of a mason jar. And I wasn't sure what they meant by fluff, but I've got this texture paste and I've got this eyelet yarn. So I'm going to use those and hope for the best. I hope you'll enjoy this video. So without further ado, let's get started. here it is, number 1 in the book, so to speak. I really love how it turned out, and I used the dragonfly stamp in honor of Barbara since I couldn't get her digitals. I feel so bad about that. I wished I could have gotten them. She has some beautiful digitals. And I just did my little mason jar, tied a little bit of the trim around it, and added the eyelash yarn also behind the jar. And now I've got a little tuck spot. And I just used a paper crimper and some cardboard that had torn off of one of my son's packages. I put a little bit of the paste on the tuck, since the prompt was for the ephemera, but I also added some on my page. And I put a little bit of ink just so that it would pop, because it would have been too strong without it. But it's nice to see just a little bit of color peeping out with the inks. I haven't used inks much, so I'm new at it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbara and Luise's channel at Luise Heinzl and 49 Dragonflies, and be sure and check out the hashtag Dephemerember. Maybe by the end of this I can say that word. So until next time, bye y'all.